Phase 1, the journey begins. Let's demystify this whole process. We're embarking on a creative journey here, and the most important thing to realize right off the bat is that anyone, and I mean anyone, can succeed by following a structured method. You do not need to be a film school major to ace this assignment. As the source material puts it, all stories begin with an idea, and digital stories are no different. Setting a really concrete one-sentence intention right at the very start gives your entire project critical direction. It essentially becomes this North Star you'll follow for the rest of the semester, which will hopefully prevent at least a few of those caffeine-fueled all-nighters. Moving on to Phase 2, Foundation, going from idea to script. A solid digital story requires rigorous preparation before you ever even think about opening your video editing software. This foundation phase builds your narrative bedrock in 3 steps. First, start with that core idea. Second, research, explore, and learn. Because even if you're doing a personal narrative, gathering facts and context adds that academic rigor and authenticity your professors are definitely looking for. And third, write a script. Transforming all that research into a cohesive spoken text is what really grounds your entire project.
Now, the math here is actually super interesting. Scripts form the absolute backbone of your story, but they really need to be concise. For a standard 3-minute university video, you're only looking at roughly 300 to 500 words. Honestly, that is shorter than most midnight discussion board posts you frantically submitted at 11:59 p.m. The goal here is to efficiently cover your chosen story arc without completely overwhelming your audience with a wall of text.
And that brings us to an absolute golden rule from Moore's framework. Create the story, then add the technology. Your narrative must always dictate the software, not the other way around. Seriously, don't let flashy transitions or complex software distract you from writing a really tight, compelling script first. All right, Phase 3, visualizing, the storyboard phase and planning the look. So you have your script, but how will those perfectly chosen 400 words actually translate into an engaging sequence on the screen? Well, a storyboard is basically a visual outline, planning exactly how to translate your written story into a sequence of images, clips, or scenes. By creating a simple shot list or even drawing basic stick figure panels, you align your script with your visuals. This is the crucial step where you figure out exactly what media assets you're going to need before production begins.
I absolutely love this perspective from filmmaker George Lucas. He noted that if one isn't taught the language of images and sound, it's like being illiterate in modern media. Wow, that really underscores why storyboarding is absolutely essential. It's how you deliberately design that audiovisual language to ensure your visuals actually enhance your academic research, rather than just distracting from it.
You can think of this as requiring 2 very distinct mindsets. On one side, you've got narrative development. That's steps 1 through 4, all about brainstorming, planning, and writing. On the other side, you have technical production, steps 5 through 7. Notice how doing the rigorous narrative development first fully prepares you for the technical stuff later. You really cannot effectively execute the technical side without conquering the narrative planning first.
Which brings us to Phase 4, production, media, and assembly.
This is the exciting moment where you finally open up the software and build your meticulously planned story. We can break this production phase down into 2 really straightforward actions: gathering and creating your media elements, so photos, video clips, audio files, and then iteratively putting it all together inside your chosen digital storytelling tools. Here's a quick, essential production checklist for you. First, carefully match your media to your story's mood and message. Tone is literally everything. Second, since you're university students, academic integrity is paramount, so respect copyright. Use Creative Commons images or just create your own original content. And third, this is a pro tip, record your narration aloud early on. Hearing your own voice reading the script naturally leads to much better phrasing and way better timing. So your blueprint for the editing room is a simple, iterative sequence. Step 1, record that voiceover. Step 2, add your visual assets to match the audio track. Step 3, adjust the timing and add your transitions. And Step 4, please do not skip this. Apply your professor's rubric. Check your pacing, verify your citations, and make sure every single academic requirement is locked in before you hit export. Phase 5, sharing your final story, releasing it to the world. This is the culmination of all your hard work. Whether you're presenting it in a huge lecture hall or uploading it to a class blog, I know a lot of students get really nervous here. but sharing your story actually intrinsically motivates you to do your best work. Knowing that a real audience is going to see this returns us to the very roots of storytelling. Stories are meant to be shared, not kept hidden on a hard drive, and that realization pushes you to produce a truly polished final product. And finally, Phase 6, reflection and growth. Looking back. For senior university students, this might honestly be the most critical phase of all. To ensure this isn't just a one-time task that you immediately forget after graduation, ask yourself, what was the most challenging part of the process? What would you improve for your next digital story? And how did the audience actually respond? I strongly encourage you to critically analyze these areas. Often, this reflection will take the form of a short summary essay or a post-project class discussion. Ultimately, reflection is what solidifies your growth. By analyzing both your creative process and your final product, you internalize these storytelling principles. You aren't just making a quick presentation here. You are mastering a modern communication technique that is going to make you significantly better prepared for your future career and any projects that come your way. Which leaves us with one final, very important question. What story are you ready to share? You now have the exact structured framework to move methodically from a blank page to a compelling digital narrative. So trust the process and confidently step out to begin your own digital storytelling journey.